In this video, we will show you how to record an ISL Lite session and edit it for later viewing. So we have a session opened up. When we click on the record button from the toolbar, we will first need to choose where on our desktop we would like the recording to be saved. For this example, let's go with Documents, and then click Select Folder. The session recording is then initiated, and everything going on the remote computer will be recorded. Now, once we're done with the recording, we can click the record button again to stop it, and we will then be prompted to open the recording. So if we just click on Open, our tool ISL Player will download automatically and open. So before we press play, let me just quickly make you aware of a functionality located in Settings, which can be found in the Tools menu. If we click on the Layout tab, we can select which elements of the recording we would like to keep for the final product. If we would only like to see the video, for example, we can go ahead and uncheck Chat, which, as we can see right here, displays all of the main events going on during the session, as well as messages between the remote and client side. So let's click OK and exit the settings. We can then press play to view the recording. As we can see here, there is no more chat dialog. If we would like to clip the video up a bit, we can use these tools here. The In Point button determines where the final video will start, and this Out Point button determines where the final video will end. Anything placed before or after these 2 points will be removed from the final product. So now that we're done with the editing part, let's open the File menu and select Export, or just use the Ctrl-E shortcut on our keyboard. We will then be prompted to enter a location to save the video to. Now, since we've decided earlier that we would like to remove the chat element from the video, let's just make sure to click on the option that says Current Player Layout, as the default layout option will just export everything. Once we've done all this, simply choose the resolution we would like the video to have, and click OK. The video will then be exported to AVI format, and once that's done, it will be ready for later storing and viewing. So this was just an on-demand recording of an ISL Lite session. If we would like to record all of our sessions automatically from now on, just go to ISL Lite and go to the settings. In the recording menu of ISL Lite, simply use this drop-down to enable session recording. Now, to test this, let's just exit Settings, and in ISL Lite, click on a computer to connect to in the Computers tab. Type in the password and hit Enter. Once the session establishes, we will then see by the Record button in the toolbar that the recording has already been started automatically. Now, if you would like to set automatic recording up in a way where the session is also recorded on the client side, simply navigate to ISL Always On in the System tray, click Settings, and then Desktop Sharing. At the bottom of the menu, simply tick Enable Session Recording. Define where we would like the recording to be stored, and then click Save. That way, a recording will be available both on the operator side and the client side. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in another video.